Motionless, this male frill chills in the trees, changing body color to act as camouflage. With predators such as eagles, owls, and dingoes hunting this woodland, the frill will hide like this for 90% of his life. But he's got to eat. Prey located. Our chilled-out friend hits the ground running, showing why he's one of Animal Fight Club's more quirky contenders. His hind legs are longer than his front, and they move pendulum-like, allowing him to run in bicycling motion. His long tail serves as a rudder, compensating for changes in his center of gravity. It may look funny, but this motion allows the frill to run at up to 30 miles per hour. But there's a problem. Another frilled lizard snuck onto his patch. Frills are fiercely territorial. If the chiller loses his turf, searching for a new home will put him at risk from deadly predators. Time to show the usurper who's boss. Cartilage rods attached to his tongue and jaws extend his folds of skin like an umbrella when he opens his mouth, revealing a spectacular series of jagged pleats. For these guys, size really does matter. Bigger plumes are believed to attract more mates, and smaller males submit to better endowed rivals. These guys are equally matched. Time to get physical. The lizard's first tactic: use his long tail to thrash the opponent into submission. Both go in for a bite. These 3-foot-long reptiles have razor-sharp canine-like teeth in their lower jaw that tear through opponents' flesh. But neither can get a good grip.